Want to change your Instagram story background color in seconds? Here's how. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. From the home screen, swipe right to open the story camera. Tap the gallery icon at the bottom and choose any photo you want to upload to your story. Now, look at the top right corner and tap on the Draw tool. Choose any color from the palette below. You can even press and hold on a color to select a custom shade. Next, press and hold anywhere on the screen for about 2 to 3 seconds. Instantly, the entire background will change to your selected color. After that, tap the sticker icon and choose the photo or camera roll sticker. Select the photo again and place it on top of the colored background. Resize and position the image however you like. You can also add text, stickers, filters, or effects to make your story look even better. Once you're done, tap your story to share it. And that's it. Your Instagram story now has a custom background color. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.